is about functional resume. Functional resume, this category actually don't really put much emphasis on time. Only prioritize things that you want to highlight. Your accomplishments usually. Your skills usually. So time is comparatively less relevant in this kind of resume. So you can see that time kind of disappear, right? The time markers just disappear from this resume. Now, you're gonna ask me, okay, so Dr. Chen, so why do people want to do this, the functional one? Well, usually there will be very specific skills people are looking for. Then they just need to know whether you have it or not, right? Like if they need some programmer who's very good at whatever language, right? Like engineering wise, right, will be Pro-E, right? Something like that. Or like unlike some kind of like design, like these a lot of the design jobs, like related jobs, they will have to master like the Adobe package, right? You all know what they are, the illustrators and all that. So they just want to know whether you have those skills or not. And they also know what kind of project have you worked on. What will be your accomplishment or the actual work profile. So basically that's the reason why people want to do this rather than the chronological one, because this is more succinct and it actually centers on all your strengths. Time is considerably irrelevant here. Because with that kind of skills, either you have it or you don't, right? So that's this functional resume. The third one is the combinative one. Combinative one is like A plus B, right? It's the chronological one plus the functional one. And to be honest, a lot of over half of the samples you guys found belong to this type. So they want to highlight the skills or highlight whatever accomplishment, and then they still arrange everything by the order of time. So a lot of the samples you guys found belong to this type. There's no right or wrong in terms of your choice among the three, but really about what companies or what the company's culture and also the positions you're looking for. But you need to know that right now the resume we're working on is a generic one. What do we mean by generic one? You need to have a base. And for different positions, different company, you tailor, you customize, you rearrange things for them. Okay? In other words, 我最讨厌哪一种？就是一封想要打死100个那个公司的那种，我最讨厌那一种。然后我还有看过哪一种，就是明来应征中正大学的教职，对不对？然后上面写那个台湾大学，就连改都忘记改，就赶快丢这样子。Really bad. Okay? And also a lot of times, people who actually have different skill set will apply for positions that's not that great of the fit for. It's not like they misfill out the address. It's that they're actually trying. They are making the attempt to kind of see if they have a chance to kind of come in and learn. It's not like they just accidentally fill out the wrong address type of thing. So in this class, I'm also hoping to prepare you not only, in terms of all the paperwork that we can really help you market yourself. I'm also hoping to prepare you mentally and then emotionally, basically, knowing that you're going to have to stay very competitive after you graduate. Okay? Alright, so a lot of people choose this one because you can kind of It's actually very Libra。我们这种天秤座就是很没有办法下决心，觉得好像要来一点那个，好像要一点那个，没有办法下决定。So usually I start with this one, and then based on different positions, different purposes, different audience, then I'll rearrange probably into 2 other categories. So you don't really have to stick with only one template. It's actually just a base. You need the material for you to work around. Okay, when you are applying for different positions, that's pretty much the idea.